News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, you can see the snowfall totals from this event. Little bands of snow. This was a lot like a nor'easter. You get up there in the mid-Atlantic in New England with these very narrow bands of very heavy snow, and if one sets up over you, you can really get dumped on. Notice a lot of the reports down here in Clinton County, 6 to 6.1 inches. Near Clarks Hill, we had 5.5, 6.5 reported down towards Ladoga, 5.5 north of Peru. And I just checked my email, and I had a 4.5 here just east of Peru, 4 near Logansport, 3 at Akron. And notice the band right here, this little 4-inch band that cut through Montmorency, parts of West Lafayette, Klondike, and then down towards West Point and Attica. Definitely the totals lessen as you head to the northwest, but Ben Richards there in Wolcott had 3 inches of snow. Notice Tippecanoe County, again 4 inches up here on the west side, northwest side, down towards West Point, but boy, down towards Shadeland, 2.5. Then you get into that banding and check it out towards Clarks Hill, 5.5. And out there towards Frankfort, 6 inches. So if you drive from Frankfort up to Shadeland, you're going to go from 6 inches to 2.5 as those little bands set up. Snow has ended. There went the last 2 bands kind of fading away as our storm slowly pulls away too. All the snow is moving off to the northeast here. You can see all the snow here up in New England and parts of the mid-Atlantic. So we can say goodbye to this one, but we're tracking another system to the west. Looks very disorganized, but this could bring some snow to parts of the Midwest, perhaps our area, as we enter the very early part of the upcoming weekend. So there's the first storm, but already high cirrus clouds streaming in from the west as that storm gradually starts to assemble in the plains. So brighter, calmer tomorrow, even Friday, and then Friday night, Saturday, some snow possible, and some snow possible by Tuesday. Both those could have at least some minor accumulation. Winds going down though. Notice at 8 a.m., gusts to 11, and through the day tomorrow, no blowing or drifting issues. The winds quite light. In fact, they'll lessen as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. And notice the temp trend for tomorrow. Headed for a high of 30 after a morning low of 23. Average high is 34, so pretty typical actually for this time of year. 30 Lafayette, Romney, Attica, 31 Pine Village tomorrow, 29 with that deep snowpack there at Frankfort. And some sun appearing tomorrow too with time after a mostly cloudy start to the day, but notice what happens as we get into Friday, increasing clouds, and by Friday night and early Saturday morning, again, Futurecast painting some blue, a period of snow as this little spin right here starts to head our way. A lot of questions as to how much snow may fall, but this is the best guesstimate, anywhere from 3 to 7 inches to our northwest, and then as the storm kind of reassembles to our east, heavy snow east of here. As of right now, up to 1 inch here. We may get a 1 to 3 inch snow in the far north. Again, this is not very certain. Forecast confidence pretty low at the present time. We'll keep an eye on it. We may have another storm to have to deal with as we get into early next week. Next 7 days, again, pretty typical winter weather. 30 tomorrow, 31 Friday, Friday night, early Saturday, some snow possible. Keep an eye on that. We'll see if you have to adjust those accumulations. 23 Sunday, and then perhaps some snow Tuesday. That could be a minor accumulating snow event as well. And I will tell you this, we've got to watch the next 2 systems, but from the standpoint tonight, it doesn't look like any big event like we just had for either the Friday night, Saturday morning, or next Tuesday.
Very good. And I tell you what, seeing those bands of snow and how different those things were so close to there is incredible to see.
It really is. Yeah, 4 inches here, 2.5 Shadeland.
Incredible. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Well, incredible season for the Colts. I haven't been here for a little while to talk about this, but Logano's back. It's great. And